Sandra Chartouni-Salvat, and I'm the Director of Sales for Aura by Casatua with Fortune International Group. SmartPixel's Mosaic Wall has been really a game changer, especially when a client or a broker is coming in for the first time. We're able to showcase everything that Fortune has to offer on one screen, and it's interactive. So while they're waiting for a presentation, we use the Mosaic screen by SmartPixel, and we're able to kind of play around with it, and then they get involved with it, and they're like, oh wow, what about this, what about this? And then there's, we also have our brochure, so they're able to read about it if they wanted to read about it. And then it leads from one project to another project, it's really been such a great tool. It is an enhancement for our selling, and I feel that the Mosaic Wall, for Fortune's purposes, it's the perfect place for it because we do have so many different projects to showcase. We're able to encompass everything on one wall and then be able to tap in and zoom in and go from a macro level to a micro level and dive deep as you want or as little as you want. Being able to scroll through, zoom in on pictures, zoom in on renderings. We also have like statistic pages that you can zoom in, and it's great for presentations. That has been a game changer. I mean, SmartPixel's screen has been such a great tool, and it has allowed us to set the tone for our presentations when you come into our sales center.